Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find animation settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this three lines, now click settings, and now click shot settings, and now here you'll find it animation settings. Here you can manage your animation settings easy and quick, and that's it for today. That's how to find animation settings easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.